Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do another quick video for you guys of a protective style that I did. It is a faux bun and bang. I use some curly hair, about 2 curly bundles, I believe. If you watched my previous video of my faux mohawk, this is the same hair. I'm just reusing it. And I didn't realize that my camera shifted a little bit down while I was making this video, so you can't really see the top as I'm making the bun, but I'll just explain what I'm doing so that it makes sense. You basically want to add in hair from in the back. I folded the weft about 3 or 4 times just so it was short enough just for me to add it in on the back, because you need to fold the hair over in order to make the bang. So whenever you're adding the tracks, just fold them as small as you can and just add them in the back. You don't need to wrap them all around as if you were putting in a ponytail. But then I just secure it with one small strand of the hair and just wrap it around the head. Okay, so what I'm doing is taking about half of the hair at the top just to go ahead and try to make the bang. You want to just put it to the length of how long you want the bang to be. And I wish you guys could really see the top, but it just forms a bun. And what you're going to do is just get a rubber band or a bow, just so that part of the bang can stay in place. And then what you want to do is fold over the back. I did it in crisscross, so I split the hair in the back in two. So the hair on the left side on the back, I crossed it over to the right, and then I did vice versa and just secured them both with bobby pins. And as I mentioned before in about 2 of my previous videos, I do have natural hair. It is 4C. Before I made this video, I actually, of course, after I washed and conditioned my hair, I used my Eco Styler gel and just a little bit of the Got To Be Free spray. And then I wrapped it as tight as I could, just enough for it to dry. I believe I left it like that for maybe about 30 minutes, just enough for me to do my makeup. And then when you unwrap it, the hair, it lays down more and it's straight, as you can see. That's pretty much it for my video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, because sharing is caring. And until next time, guys, take care.